guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you on how to customize ringtone for your iPhone. So without any further ado, let me start the tutorial. First, we will be needing two apps to create custom ringtone, which is Documents application and GarageBand application. To start guys, open Documents application, then tap Downloads folder to pick music you want to set as a ringtone. For example, I will pick Owl City, New York City music. Just tap three dots at the bottom right corner of the music file. Then tap Share and select Save to Files. And then in here, select GarageBand File Transfer and then tap Add. Now that we are done, it is time to go to GarageBand application. Now let's try to open the app. Now guys, this is what the GarageBand app look like. In this video, we will be using audio recorder, and then to start, tap instrument. And now tap this icon. Well, I don't know how to call this icon guys, but just follow the arrow above. So yeah. Now I'm going to tap the plus sign on the upper right hand corner of the screen. And then tap section A. After tapping section A, just set the manual to 30 seconds because that's the length of the ringtone. To set the duration, just tap the arrow up or the arrow down. And that's it. We already have a 30 seconds timeline. To add the music, just tap the rope sign over here. And then, so this is already the music we added before. And now we will choose the recent music we added, the Owl City, New York City. Just tap it and hold and then drag to the timeline.
I'm digging through the glove box.
So that's it guys. Can you hear that ticking sound? To remove that ticking sound, just tap this sign over here, the blue one. Just follow the arrow, tap it to remove that ticking sound. So now let's try again.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had.
Now that we achieved to remove that annoying sound, now it's time for us to save the file. Just tap that arrow button down here to save. And yeah, so this is our recent files. Now it's time for us to rename our new file, My Song 2. Just hold it and then choose rename, and we will change that into New York City - Owl City. Oh my gosh, annoying sound. And when you're done, tap done. Now that we already have a file name, again hold the file and then press share and choose ringtone and tap continue. There's no need for us to adjust to 30 seconds since we already adjusted before. Now guys, it's time to tap export. Once it is successfully exported to ringtone, close the GarageBand app and go back to iPhone settings. Now guys, it's time for us to change the ringtone. Now let's go to sounds and then ringtone and choose New York City, Owl City. So that's our custom ringtone we added before. And okay, that's it guys. Super excited. Now guys, let's see if this thing really works. I'm going to call Pam to ask if she can call me, so hold on guys. Here's my phone guys, so let's wait if it works.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in
Whoa,
here.
it works guys.
I bought the car my junior year.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on your post notification for you to be notified whenever I uploaded a new tutorial video. So see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace.